Yeah. That Wu-Tang shit. That Jay-Z shit. That Biggie shit. That shit that y'all can't fuck with. Big Bird.
Yo, gather round, hustlers, that's if you're still living. And get on down to that old jig rhythm. Here's a couple of Jews to help you get through your bit in prison. A ribbon in the sky, keep your head high. Young Vito, voice of the young people, mouthpiece for hustlers. I'm back, motherfuckers. Your reign on the top was shorter than leprechauns. You can't fuck with hoe, what type of X y'all on? I got great lawyers for cops, so dress warm. Charges don't stick to dude, he's Teflon. I'm too sexy for jail like I'm right, said Fred. I'm not guilty, now give me back my bread. Me, I'm not sure if they told you I'm on TV every day. Where the fuck could I go to? Plus, ho don't run, ho stand and fight. Ho's a soldier, ho been fighting all his life. So, what could you do to me? It's not new to me, sue me, fuck you. What's a couple dollars to me? But you will respect me, simple as that. Or I got no problem going back. I'm representing for the seat where Rosa Parks sat, where Malcolm X was shot, where Martin Luther was popped. Come on, so off we go, let the trumpets blow. And hold on, because the driver of the mission is a pro. The ruler's back. Well, in these times, well, at least to me, there's a lot of rappers out there trying to sound like Jay-Z. I help you out, here's what you do. You're gonna need a wide lens, cause that's a very big shoe. And you got a couple of beans and you don't have a clue. Your situation is bleak. I'ma keep it real, cause fucking with me, you gotta drop a meal. Cause if you're gonna cop something, you gotta cop for real. Don't only talk it, walk like it. From the bricks to the booth, I can predict the future like Cleo the psychic. You can't date skills and wife it. And you can't sell me bullshit, we know the prices. So what your life is, we gon' roll till the wheels fall off. Y'all motherfuckers check your tires. Off we go, let the trumpets blow. And hold on, because the driver of that Bentley is a pro. The ruler's back.
Another day in the ghetto. One look outside and I'm already upset, yo. It look about 102, it's a Saturday and Biggie ain't got nothing to do. I'm interrupted by a phone ring. Sometimes I wish I never got the motherfucking thing. Can I speak to Biggie? Yo, who this? Tanisha, yo, call back, I'm busy. Why don't you hit me on the box a little later? Washed up, got dressed, hits the elevator. Steps out, it's the same old scene. Dope fiend, crack fiend, eyewitness news team. I seen the honey with the butt looking butter soft. I know she look much better with them clothes up off. That's the one I got to get with. She said if I get with you, I got to get with your whole hood rap crew. What you think I do, sling skins for a living? My name ain't November, this ain't Thanksgiving. You ain't Michael Bivins. Smack it up, flip it, rub it down. Do me, baby, I ain't down. My name ain't Tupac, I don't get around. You hitting this nigga, how that sound? First of all, you got me mixed up with somebody you done slept with. Hold up, that's my Nina Cherry shit. I got something slicker. Let me just sip up on this liquor. Liquor.